Hi students, how are you? Hope that you are fine. I am back again before you with another class on transformation of sentence assertive to interrogative. Here assertive to interrogative. Dear students, you know assertive sentence has been divided into two parts. They are affirmative sentence and negative sentence. When you will turn any assertive sentence into interrogative sentence, then at first you have to think whether the assertive sentence is in affirmative form or negative form. If the assertive sentence is in affirmative form, then you have to do negative interrogative, and if the assertive sentence is in negative form, then you have to do affirmative interrogative. Okay, now I will show you some examples here. He is doing the work. Here this is an assertive sentence. Here he is subject, is doing its verb, and the work object. Actually every assertive sentence begins with subject and finishes with full stop. Okay, this sentence does not carry no, not, never, none, etc. That's why it is in affirmative form. This is an assertive sentence, but it is in affirmative form. As it is in affirmative form, then you have to, and if you want to transform this sentence into interrogative, you have to do negative interrogative. Clear? So here will be cross. Cross means is, or you will bring is in front of subject with negative form. Isn't, then he, then rest of the sentence doing the work. Isn't he doing the work? Then another example, they are not eating rice. This is an assertive sentence, but this assertive sentence is in negative form, because here is not, okay. Then how will you transform this negative sentence into interrogative sentence? You have to do affirmative interrogative. Clear? Here is also will be cross like this, but at first you have to bring this verb are at the first side of subject. Clear? Or you have to bring auxiliary verb in front of the subject with affirmative form. So not will not be placed here. Are, then subject, are they, then rest of the sentence. Are they eating rice? Then note of interrogation. Dear students, I hope you have understood my word well. You always remember that if any assertive sentence is in affirmative form, then you have to do negative interrogative, and if any assertive sentence is in negative form, then you have to do affirmative interrogative. Clear? Some more examples. He drinks a glass of water. Here he is subject and drinks is principal verb. But this assertive sentence did not carry any auxiliary verb. So how will you transform this sentence into interrogative sentence? It is very easy. You have to know the base form of verb carries auxiliary verb do, and S form or ES form of verb carries auxiliary verb does, and verb to or second form of verb carries auxiliary verb did. So here you have to think there is an auxiliary verb and it is does, and does S is the short form of does. So here will be cross. You have to think here is does, and you will bring this does in front of subject with negative form. Here will be doesn't, then subject, then rest of the sentence. Doesn't he drink a glass of water? Then note of interrogation. Next, go to the another example. Here, you help me. This is an assertive sentence and it is in affirmative form. So how will you transform this assertive sentence into interrogative sentence? It is very easy. Actually, you have to do negative interrogative. So how is it possible for us to perform? Here help is principal verb or base form of verb. Here auxiliary verb will be do, then cross do will be placed here with negative form. So here will be don't, then subject you, don't you, then rest of the sentence. Help me, then note of interrogation. So dear students, my today's discussion was assertive to interrogative sentence part 1, and in this sentence I have taught you about the part of assertive sentence, or how will you transform the assertive sentences into interrogative sentence with a very easy mode. So I hope you will enjoy the class very well, and in the next time I will appear before you with another class. Wishing everyone good health and longevity. I am finishing today's class here. Allah Hafiz.